Bonjour. So student, today what the topic I have taken for you, it's fair you say, okay, to make a recipe. So whenever we are making something, whenever you are cooking something or your mother is cooking in the kitchen, so what are the main things you have to take care? First one is obviously the ingredients, what the ingredients we are using, what we are making, okay. So what all the type of ingredients we require, okay. Secondly, the utensils, obviously in which uh, like in which bowl or in which utensil you are making that dish. So utensils is playing an important role. And the third one is obviously if you are telling a recipe to somebody else, okay. For example, how you are cooking this, how you are making a tea. So you will say that I have taken 2 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, then I am adding this, okay. So the verbs, what all are the verbs, okay, are important in telling a recipe, okay. So there are 3 things that you have to take care. First one is ingredient is the ingredients, then ustensil is utensils, and the third one is verb util, it means the verbs, that is utilizing verbs, those verbs that you are utilizing whenever you are telling a recipe to somebody else, okay. So similarly, these 3 vocabulary words further divided into these 3 tables. So you can see in page number 71, okay. So these are the words. So I have not taken all the words, I have taken 10 words from each category so that I'll explain it furthermore, okay. So I will be sharing the copywork for you. So I have translated all these words into English, okay. So it will be easy for you to recognize these words. So let's begin. So number 1, I have taken les ingrédients. Les ingrédients is the ingredients, obviously. So the number 1 is very important, very important thing, le sel. Le sel is salt. Without salt there is no taste, okay. So sel is an important thing, salt. Then le sucre, again a very important ingredient, it's the sugar, okay. So le sucre is the sugar. Then l'épice, spice. In Indian food we like give a very important role to the spices, okay. Without spices our dish is incomplete, okay. So l'épice is, this is a feminine word and this means spice, okay. L'huile, you know, is milk. Then l'huile is oil, okay. So without oil you can't make parathas, you can't make vegetables, okay. So you can't cook without oil. La farine is flour, is another important ingredient. Le meal is honey, okay. Meal is honey. Le beurre, you know, it's butter. La, again you know, it's egg. And le noix, N-O-I-X, ending with X. So in the plural form also we are not adding anything on this word. So le noix means nut. So once again, le sel, le sucre, l'épice, l'huile, l'huile, la farine, le meal, le beurre, l'œuf et le noix. These are the ingredients. Now come to the ustensil. Ustensil means the utensil. So les ustensiles, okay. So number 1 is l'assiette. L'assiette means a plate, okay. A plate in which you serve the things, okay. So assiette. La batteur is a beater, okay. La couteau is a knife, a very important utensil. Le couteau is a knife. La poêle is a pan. La boîte is a box. Then la cuillère. Cuillère is a spoon, okay. Cuillère is a normal spoon. La spatule. Spatule is a spatula. Then la louche is a ladle. Then these 2 words were not there in your books, but I thought that these 2 are very important things to know, so I have added here. La pince means plier. For example, जिसे हम हिंदी में संसी बोलते हैं, okay, जिससे आप होल्ड करते हैं चीज़ों को. So la pince is the plier. And la tanaille. Tanaille is pincers. Okay, désolé, la pince is plier is that चिमटा. Okay, जिससे मम्मियाँ रोटी बनाती हैं, that is pince plier. And le tenaille is a pincers, that is sansi. ठीक है, le tenaille. So la scythe, le batteur, le couteau, la poêle, la boîte, la cuillère, la spatule, la boulouche, la pince et le tenaille. Next one is very important thing that you have to learn, and you have to learn the conjugations as well. Importantly, the imperative form. It means you should know the tu, vous and nous form of all these verbs. Okay. So number one is ajouter is to add, ajouter. Garnir is to garnish. Battre is to beat. Hacher is to chop. Griller is to grill. Casser to break. Mélanger, very important. Mélanger is to mix. Remuer is to stir. Verser is to pour. And last one is frire is to fry. Once again, ajouter, garnir, battre, hacher, griller, casser, mélanger, remuer, verser, frire. So as you can see, there are mostly er ending verbs that is very easy to conjugate. Few r ending and few ir ending verbs are there, so you have to look about that. So these are the just a small thing I have taken from your book. I will be sharing the copywork, in that you will be getting all the translations of all works. Okay, so please remember all these things, because in your examination I will be asking a recipe for sure, so you should know these things. Okay, so that's it for today. The further things we will discuss in the class, students. So au revoir, merci.